to take some Dixie Belle chalk paint in Tea Rose and a 24-ounce plump from Steel Magnolia, and I'm just going to take and base coat the top and bottom of this cup, leaving the middle open. I mixed up a little bit of epoxy for my preferred glitter application, which is the epoxy method. And we're just going to add a little bit to our cup here. We don't want it overpowering. We just want it enough that our cup is sticky for that glitter to stick to. Starting off with this amazing light gold color called Champagne, we're just going to sprinkle a little bit towards the bottom rim and the top rim. After you get fairly good coverage on that top and bottom rim, we're going to hold our cup at a pretty steep angle here and hold the cup or jar, whatever you have your glitter in, up high. And we're going to just tap the jar and let it kind of cascade down. We're just looking for a slight ombre effect here. Now take your second glitter. This one is called Let's Kiss. We're going to lay it on pretty heavy there at the base of the paint, and then we're going to ombre it up into the gold. I found these really cute brush strokes online. I can't remember exactly where off the top of my head, so I will link it down in the description. I just measured around my cup and cut the file down to the size that would wrap around. I did print and cut on white water slide. When that water slide starts sliding around on the backing, you can just slide it off, and we are going to add it to the center of our cup. On this second section, I'm just going to leave a little bit of the past water slide up so I can slide this one underneath, and then we'll just apply it like we did the first time, sliding the backing out. Once you get that water slide all on and bubble free and laying down flat, I'm just going to take a paintbrush and a little bit of quick coat on top to make sure it is sealed down. Once that quick coat has completely dried, you're going to take a chip brush and dip it in a little bit of Mod Podge here. We're just going to add a few extra strokes of glitter. Right here, I'm adding the glitter color Midnight. I'm going to continue on adding some brush strokes in Heart Eyes and Aphrodite. After your Mod Podge has dried, take and spray seal your cup with your sealer of choice. Now it's time to add our decal. I chose this super cute XOXO file and I cut it out of this really pretty faded type vinyl from Teck Craft. I will have the link and a discount code for you guys in the description. And here is our tumbler all finished. Not only do I think it would be cute to carry this around for Valentine's Day, but I think it's generic enough you could carry it around all year long. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like more tips and tricks, join my Facebook group with the link in the description and look for me under Diamonds and Dust on all other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, guys.